Hi, this is Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you the accounting tools that are in QuickBooks Online, available for any user that is set up as an accounting firm. So this would be if you're a CPA, outsourced bookkeeper, outsourced controller, anyone that's an accounting type firm, tax preparer, that has firm access into QuickBooks Online. So first I want to show you how to get set up with an accounting firm access. What you would do or have your client do is go to the gear, click on Manage Users, and I'm in QuickBooks Online Advanced, so there's roles here, but in all QuickBooks Online files, you would see users and accounting firms. Excuse me, you'd want to click on accounting firms and then invite. QuickBooks Advanced, you can invite 3 accounting firms. In QuickBooks Essentials and Plus, you can have 2 accounting firms, and you just basically go to invite, put in the firm ID if they have it, or send an invite via email. So you just need their first and last name, or you need to give them your first and last name and your email address. Once you're logged in as an accounting firm, you will then see this little briefcase up top that's My Menu. And it gives you a consolidation of everything down here with bookmarks and things. So it shows you your bookmarks, and you can also edit things. So 3 sections: bookmarks, your quick create, and your tools. And I'll go into more detail on tools. Because I have the quick create here and the bookmarks right down below, I like to move my tools up so it sees that first. So when I click here, it should have seen it. If not, you can scroll down to tools. And these are all the accounting firm tools that you don't have as a regular user. The void deleted transactions is the same as going to your audit history in the gear and going to those voided deleted transactions. Let me just show you. Creates that report so you can see very easily what the client might have voided or deleted. So it's in the audit log. When you're in the audit log, you can it brings you right to that event. Good news was there weren't any in this file. Closing the books was just a shortcut to your account, your settings to create a close date. So they're all shortcuts except for one that I'll show you in a moment. This is where you can set your close date. Client requests. Within QuickBooks, you can send messages to your client. What is this transaction? Things like that. Those client requests would be right there. Any notes? But my favorite right here, I'll skip this, you can do your write-offs, write-off invoices. The only thing I don't like about write-off invoices is it writes it off on the date of the invoice. So if it's for a closed period, you don't really want to do that to write it off. I like it better doing a journal entry write-off. Your report options, nice, gives you your options when you run a report. How do you want to see it initially? And then your different options on it. So it's your reporting tools for your default. And then my favorite is the reclassify. The reclassify tool is wonderful because it'll go through and pinpoint things that you want to reclassify. Instead of having to go one at a time, you can add classes, you can add departments if you have those turned on, and you can bulk reclassify things that are not items. So you can't do invoices because it won't reclassify an item, but it will classify any account. So I'm going to go to last year. And you can go through you can reclassify either on the balance sheet or profit and loss. Let's say I go down, and one of my rules of thumb is not, so I'm looking at uncategorized expenses. I can bring it right up here I could look at it. Oh, this was paint supply. That's the customer. This should have gone to our job materials. I can click right on it, click on reclassify, and change the account to job materials. Very easy. For some reason, it's not allowing me to do that. So I'm going to drill into it. Every now and then you'll get a reason why I can't do it. And it could be that it was done, yes, because it was done as an item. That item points there. So I could, and I put it into inventory. So as I said before, you can't reclassify items. I would have to actually go to that consulting item and change it there. But for other things, say I want to move my bad debt into, I want to do it against an income account, against income or services. I can go right here, change the account to services, and apply. And it moved it right up. So it's just a nice quick way to bulk edit transactions that are not items. And that's right under the reclassify. So if you are an accountant user, play around with it. If you are a accountant professional or accounting professional and are not in as an accountant user, you do want your client to change you to an accounting firm. The advantage of that is you get the accounting tools with that. And also it frees up one of their users. So let's say they're on Essentials and they only have 3 regular users. It frees it up because an accounting firm is not part of your user count. Hope that tip helps and you work some more with the accounting tools. Once again, this is Lori Swartz from Siegel Solutions. As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services, visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.